Put the decimals in order from least to greatest. All right, in order to order decimals, I have to look at the leftmost place value and try to figure out what's greater, what's smaller, stuff like that. If they're the same, then I move to the right. So I look at my ones place value. Those are all 5s, so that doesn't really help me. Now I go to the right and I look at the tenths place value for each. Now these are all different. So since these are all different, that means the smallest number in the tenths place value is going to be the smallest number overall. So I have 7, I have 3, and I have 2, which means that 2 represents the smallest. So 5 and 21 hundredths is my smallest value. The next one is going to be me comparing 7 and 3. 3 is smaller than 7, so 5 and 3 tenths is going to be next. And last but not least, I have 7, which is bigger than all of the tenths here, so 5 and 7 tenths is going to be the largest. So I have 5 and 21 hundredths, then 5 and 3 tenths, then 5 and 7 tenths.